Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We come to you from the tent of our sister, Najm. Abu Najm, her husband, is out looking for work right now, so he couldn't be here, and he asked us to forgive him. There are her three daughters right there, three beautiful, adorable daughters, mashallah, and this is the fourth and only boy. Little man was born, and when he was born, there were some problems with his hip. Seems like at the time of birth, his hip was dislocated or something like that. And then it became progressively worse, his medical condition, and that right now, he has all kind of issues with his spinal cord and the spine itself. The spine and the spinal cord. So he can't stand up, and he just crawls around, and there's a curvature within him. They are looking for some financial assistance to take care of him. He needs money in order to get back and forth from the hospital and looking at, dealing with the medical teams that he needs to see, in addition to the medications and things that come as a result of that. His problem is becoming compounded. You can hear he has labored breathing because it's part of the problem that these kids suffer from with this situation. So the action item for us is that the lady needs some financial assistance from the community to help her little boy, inshallah azza wa jal. 250 pounds, 250 pounds for 250 pounds, 250 pounds for the one who wants to take care of the family, 50 pounds, inshallah, for one individual Muslim brother or Muslim sister. So if you can see, the little man is not going to get up. This is his situation right now. So the lady is just asking for some assistance from amongst us and from the community, inshallah. May Allah open up your hearts to donate and to give generously to little Najm, who's smiling. May Allah help this situation. هذا وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.